Hi dear, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I'm going to have meeting with my brother Zishan. He's from Navy and he especially came to meet me. And today he's in front of me. Before this, I want to just announce something that is all about. I have made an English language speaking group. That group is all about learning English language where the male and female they are both are separate. And if you want to get entered into that group, you can learn to speak in English with your practicing your voice. अगर आप इंग्लिश ग्रुप में इंटर होना चाहते हैं इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग की प्रैक्टिस के लिए तो इसी ही वीडियो में आप कमेंट्स करके हमसे पूछ सकते हैं. उसका लिंक आप तक प्रोवाइड कर दिया जाएगा. तमाम उसके चार्जेस जो हैं वो फॉर एवर हैं वो आपको बता दिए जाएंगे. So let's get started. Move to Mr. Zishan. He's my brother. He's in Navy. So how are you, Mr. Zishan?
Yeah, I'm fine. You?
I'm good. Thank you very much. What's going on and how is your job in your Navy?
My job is very good. I'm satisfied from my job. It's a very nice job. I'm enjoying.
You're enjoying?
Yeah.
Is it job or is it employment?
I think it's job. It's a passion. It's a excitement for me.
It's excitement for you. Do you love to work for Pakistan?
Yeah.
Do you want to sacrifice for Pakistan?
Yeah. Not even I am. Every soldier want to serve his country and he want to sacrifice his life for Pakistan and his country. Beloved.
So, Mr. Zishan, as a soldier in a post, what rank do you have?
I'm a sailor in Pakistan Navy.
Sailor.
Yes.
Do you love to sail on the water?
Yes.
Do you know swimming?
Yeah, we know swimming. Every sailor know about swimming. They give us a lot of practice about that.
Okay. As a passion, you are in the Navy. So, do you think what's the importance of English language in the...
Yeah, it's very important to learn English because we visit almost all over the world. We visit other countries. We met the people of other countries. I think this is the basic international language. So we need very necessary for us to basically for a soldier it is very necessary to learn the English.
It's crucial. So one thing more I want to ask that in your Navy, I mean in Pakistani Navy, when you are there, do you have any course pattern or lecture there for the English?
Yeah, there is a complete course which is named ELC English Language Course, which is conducted in our basic and officer unit. Every officer, allied and a sailor, almost his training is not considered a complete without ELC. There is a school ELC English Language Course we done this in Pahadur.
What about the friends that you have over there? They are colleagues or they are working with you. Do you know about? They know about our channel of YouTube over there?
Yeah, some of them which are my friends, they know about that. But there was a boy, he asked me about that because he came to know from another person. No, I will try to tell about in this channel my friend. Inshallah, I will made a campaign.
This will be necessary for you because you think that, and you also told me many times that one of your friend he wants to talk with you, and he's surprised to know that
Yes.
I'm brother of Zishan, and
Yes.
especially when they will watch up your video, they will be glad, they will be happy. It will be pleasure moment for them. So, how about your early life in your childhood? What about your English? Had you interest in your basic life also?
Yeah, I have been learning English since from my childhood, but I can't learn it. I just learn it now. I have a chance to because in our childhood in Punjab, this is not being kept very necessary to learn English. Everyone makes your fun if you are volunteer to learn English. So I think this is the basic and best channel to learn English because there is no opportunity especially in Janubi Punjab, South Punjab to learn English. So no, I have alhamdulillah learned some English because I also learned many things from you and your channel because it is a basic channel for English.
Yes, it is, and indeed, one of our brothers Rizwan is in Saudi Arabian Army, and Noman is in Air Force, and you are in Navy. But I am the one who was left for this, so I also wanted to serve Pakistan with my duties. Even I was passionate for joining Air Force, but I could not join, And when I joined that, I decided to do something different, like servicing as to teaching, the people of Pakistan. My first step was to come into YouTube. Was that only one? In YouTube, there was no teacher. If there was teacher, he was not teaching like he was. As I decided to join it to put step on it, I got success. I got success because people comment a lot. They appreciated me, so I came on to continue my work with this passion. How many days have you come here for the holidays?
Yes, I'm here only for the 7 days. I'm just being. I want to told you. I want to told you that even just 5 or 6 days before, I just watch your videos on YouTube, which were your latest lectures, and I was so proud to watch that because no one even was believing that he is Imran Rai. They were saying that this is not your brother. He is looking like a gentleman, and you are a normal and simple person. I told him that he is a very good-looking person, and he is very gentleman. He's well experienced. Therefore, he can't speak English like very fluently, and he's a teacher. I want to tell you another thing that you are just not doing your job. This is a very, I think, sacred job to do because it is very necessary for Muslim in Pakistan to learn English because even Rasul Pak said about that, asked him, ordered us to learn English, learn the languages even so I think we should do this, and this is a very basic platform to learn English. I want to tell everyone because if you want to learn the basic English, if you don't know about English and you just have a love to learn English, I think you should join this group. I think it is you do not have to pay anything to learn English.
No.
Therefore,
It's free of cost.
if it is free of cost, then I think everyone should join this.
I have just started up a group that given link in the description. They can also ask a link in the comments. As a soldier in the Navy, why did not you choose Army or Air Force?
I think it had two different reasons. One of them was it was my mother's heart wish. She wanted watch me and look me in a white uniform in Pakistan Navy.
She wanted to see me.
She wanted to see me, and the next one was I was much excited to join Pakistan Navy because my first and earlier brother, he is in Pakistan Army, and second brother is in Pakistan Force. So I was much excited to join Pakistan Navy.
So it was your passion to join Navy.
Yeah.
It was your passion, but after you have got experience of 1 year about that is going to be, how have you experienced now? Is it still same the passion you're continuing it?
Yes, it is. It is very gentleman force. I think it is more. It gives us more opportunities. It provides us more opportunities about everything. It is more, I think, complicated than its work is more complicated than Pakistan Army and Air Force, but it is most gentleman force.
What is the complication of Navy as different than Air Force?
The complication of Navy, there are many things. The first thing you can say that it is very have a upper grade from Pakistan Navy than Pakistan Army and Air Force, because even in Hadith and everyone know that to fight on the water. On the water, it is very difficult work, and
it's quite difficult fighting on water because you are not on the land.
Even we have no land, we are in limited land to fight with others, and
sometimes you have to fight over the water.
Yes, over the water. And there is another reason that because Pakistan Army has a great power of man, it has a great sport, but no one know about Pakistan Navy. There are few people which know about Pakistan Navy. So caliber of Pakistan Navy is so higher than the square.
Okay, that's fine. Oh, last thing, do you know how to swim now?
Yeah, no, I know. I want to tell you that it is very good exercise. It is the best exercise.
Be in front of camera because people they want to see you.
Yes,
swimming is the best exercise.
It is the best exercise because it is the best exercise you can ask from every person who is a sportsman. It is very complicated because our every body parts move in this exercise. So in earlier I don't know about swimming because I never even in living in South Punjab I can't learn how to swim, but Pakistan Navy provided me this challenge, and I accepted that challenge because it is very necessary to be a swimmer in Pakistan Navy because we have to journey and travel on the water. So therefore it is very necessary for us. Now alhamdulillah I am a swimmer, and it is very I think I am proud of myself about that because I am a swimmer.
Yeah, so you are a swimmer. Swimming and driving, both things, they are quite important in your life.
Yes.
It's like if you don't know swimming, it means you don't know how to save your life. And last thing, it was really nice to talk to you, Mr. Zishan, my brother. Inshallah, next time we shall be together. After 7 days, you are going.
Yes, I'm
One thing I really. Okay,
confident.
Mr. Zishan, it was really nice to see you. Inshallah, see you next time. It was quite nice. There's a camera. Shake your hands and say, "People, subscribe." That's perfect to see you, Mr. Zishan.
Yeah.
Okay, now last thing I want to tell public that I have created a group. That group is all about learning and chatting English language with together. If you practice English with your buddies, your friends as being a member of our group, you can be successful in communicating because English is only possible when you are practicing on it. And last thing, to join that group, just comment me over down. We shall be there serving you. That's all for now. Thanks for being with EA.
Yeah.